poppin' people? So today I'm going to be doing my Aquascape for my Reef tank. Right here I'm going to be using a Waterbox 10 cube. So what I did here is I taped off the inside dimensions of the tank, which it stretches about 13.5 inches long and about 10.5 inches wide, but I stopped it at 13 and 10, so that way there can be an inch of space around the glass. I went ahead and I purchased 5 pounds of Marco rock from Bulk Reef Supply. I ordered it, I think, Sunday night, and it showed up in my doorstep this morning on Tuesday, so that's pretty dope. I have some basics tools with me because I'm going to be breaking up the Marco rock. So, I pretty much have this hammer slash like knife wedge thing, and I have a little chisel with me, and like that's about it. I have a bottle of spray paint primer from Walmart that I'm going to be using as a base. Basically, I'm going to have my water line around 12 inches and this can is about 8, so I don't want my rockscape to go any higher than this can, so that there's good water flow over the coral, over the rockscape, and then obviously around. Very minimal, which I like. So this will be a viewing angle. This will be a viewing angle.